All right, welcome back. Today you're on day 2 of our Considering Death activity. And yesterday we read through this entire document and we came back and we answered the questions for the passage from there. So you should have this section of your document complete. Today we are going to look at Emily Dickinson. This is Emily Dickinson's poem, Because I Could Not Stop for Death. Remember, she was sort of a worrisome woman, and she wrote these things on her own. She was a recluse. She was always inside her home. And this is just something that she wrote regarding death. So I'm going to click on this today so that we can listen to it. And
Not Stop for Death by Emily Dickinson. Because I could not stop for death, he kindly stopped for me. The carriage held but just ourselves and immortality. We slowly drove, he knew no haste, and I had put away my labour and my leisure too, for his civility. We passed the school where children strove, at recess in the ring. We passed the fields of gazing grain. We passed the setting sun, or rather he passed us. The dews drew quivering and chill, for only gossamer my gun, my tippet only tool. We paused before a house that seemed a swelling of the ground. The roof was scarcely visible, the cornice in the ground. Since then, 'tis centuries, and yet feels shorter than the day. I first surmised the horses' heads were towards eternity.
And there you have it. All right, so now what you're going to do is think about this poem. What was happening in this poem? She says she could not stop for death, and so he kindly stopped for her. So what are we doing with the idea of death here? Think about that. Death is driving a carriage, and in the carriage, the only people in this carriage are death, her, and immortality, and they drive slowly. What are they passing as they drive? What are they passing? They pass a school, they pass children at recess, they pass fields, they pass the sun, right? And where do they wind up in the end? I want you to think carefully about this. Listen to it again or read it again if you need to. And you're going to, in this box labeled first, answer our first question. The first question says, summarize the selection. Summarize it in at least 3 good detailed sentences using your own words. The second box, what you're going to do is identify what point of view the author is revealing thoughts on death from. So is the author of that poem, the speaker in the poem, not the author, the speaker in that poem, living, dead, dying? How do you know? And the final thing that you're going to do for today is decide which literary device really stands out with that poem. Which literary device is present? Tell me which one it is, how you know, and then explain the effect of it. What does it help us better understand? How does it contribute to the tone or the mood? Why did the author use that literary device instead of just saying in plain language? Okay, make sure that all of your answers are in complete sentences using capitalization and punctuation. And when you finish this part for today, you are done for the day.